Okay, we are cleaning surfaces now, including a leather interior. It's going to take the same chemical. This is stuff I made at home. It's not glass cleaner. It's regular fabric cleaner. So you see Woolite. Carpet cleaner has the Febreze scent. So it's about 1 part that, and then the rest water. This is how I filled it today. So it probably smells pretty much like Febreze. Just do a regular surface clean. You're really not going to get all the tarnish out of the leather, especially if it's really, really old. So most cars come with black leather now, because this tan stuff, you can tell it stains a little bit. You would really have to sit here and scrub with abrasive bristles, and we're not doing that. And that stuck on chocolate. Okay. Here we go. Here's where some of the damage is. It's from children. Wherever a car seat goes, that's where damage is going to be. I need to let this sit for a bit. And this one houses 2 car seats. You got the baby seat in the middle, and then you got a toddler seat here. I got rid of it. It did pretty good. These are stains from like probably Cheetos. Nothing serious. No sports drinks. No actual tomato sauce meals or anything super crazy like that. Cleaned it up pretty good. You just gotta love that sound. Sounds secure. Alright. So like I said, I used something more aggressive here, but we'll try this here. Let it soak a bit. Now, let's see what this fabric cleaner does here. It gets rid of it. It does a good job. Very nice. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Let's go. All out, huh? Why not? Let's soak for a minute. Okay, that's it. How did that do? Cleaned up really nice. So, yeah. Woolite fabric carpet cleaner. Out there, and then the rest of it water. Cleans pretty good. Cleans really good. These are the results of cleaning the car. Came out pretty good. I just got to put those plastic floor mats back.